All right, guys, welcome back to the Linux Mini channel. Today we'll be looking at adding and subtracting polynomials. All right, so this rule is that we can only add and subtract like terms, meaning the power. So we have to look at the power very carefully. If they have the same power, then we can add them. All right, so we have x squared plus 3x squared. So we can add those because those are both x squares. All right, so we have 3x squared. This one is pretty straightforward. There's gonna be some more complex ones. So we have plus 5 and minus 2. Of course, this is like 1x squared. So 1 plus 3 would be 4x squared. And of course, 5 minus 2 would be plus 3. And that would be our answer. This one is a little bit more complex. Bear in mind there's a minus here, so picture it as in like a minus 1. All right, so right about the first one, which is 4x squared. If we should expand the bracket, this is gonna become minus x squared, positive times a negative. Work our negative 5x. And negative times a positive would also give us negative, so that would be negative 7x. Now that we have all the like terms together, we can go ahead. All right, so 4 minus 1, that would give us 3x squared. Both of them are negative, negative 5 and negative. When both negative, we add and keep our negative sign, which is 12x. So that's negative 12x. And that would be our answer. All right, let's look at this one now. We have 6x squared. So we can say 6x to the third rather. Now this was the other 6 is the other x term to the third. So we write 3x to the third. So we just group in the like terms. We have minus 2x squared. And positive times a negative, that's negative. So we have negative 7x. Now that we have all the terms together, we can add these. Only the x terms we can add. So 6 and 3, that's 9. So that will give us 9x to the third. And for this one, both of them are negative. So we're going to add. And 2 plus that would give us 9. So that's 9x squared. And that would be our answer. Let's look at the final one for this. And it says 6x to the third power. We have an x, 9x to the third, but remember, it's like multiplying by a negative 1, so let us do that. So we have 6x to the third. A positive times a negative would give us negative 9x to the third. Put back the 7x as it is, so that's minus 7x. Now this one can be a bit tricky. The negative times a positive negative gives us a positive, so that's positive 3x. So we can work out this now. 6 minus 9, the 9 is bigger, so it's going to become a negative 3x to the third. And this one now, the negative is also bigger, so that's negative 3 from 7 leave 4x. And that would be our answer. Like and follow for more, guys. All right. If you're not on my YouTube channel, go there. If you're not on my TikTok, go there. Same name, Lennox Many. I'm out, no doubt. See you guys in another video.